Glock 26 Gen 4 in the flat dark earth frame. This is a 10 round magazine of 9mm, and this is a brand new pistol. I'm going to be shooting its first rounds out of it right now. Let's see how it goes. Looks like all 30 rounds fed reliably. Alright, that wasn't bad. Glock 26 Gen 4, 9mm. It's a really fun gun to shoot. Very compact. It's the ultimate concealed carry option from Glock. Very soft shooting, accurate. Glock 26 Gen 4, doing great. All rounds fed reliably. Really no surprises there. I wasn't expecting anything other than that. Just a great pistol to add to my collection and possibly take over for the Glock 23 Gen 4 for summer concealed carry, or possibly a backup pistol in an ankle holster or something like that. Just options are pretty limitless with this gun, and for concealed carry I recommend the Hornady Critical Defense. These bullets are very light recoil, and the capability of that round ensures that it opens up every time, and I would trust those. Just the fact that you can put more rounds on target easier than like a plus P. I recommend these for training. I'm using the Lawman ammunition from Spear. It's just the regular stuff, 115 grain full metal jackets. Not going to shoot much of it right now because of ammo prices. I'm just wanted to take the Glock out to function test it and break it in a little bit. So preliminary review is it's outstanding. I'll let you guys know if there's any further developments on it, but I think that it's going to be a home run. There's a lot of reviews out there on it already, so check those out if you want more info. I'm really liking it, so that's my 2 cents on it.